Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Pharaoh Rush Slot Game. But before we get into the review, I get hundreds of requests from you guys to check out products daily, and my guide shows you how to do this investigation yourself in just a few minutes. So link below in the description, and with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see, you have it opened up here in Google Play, and this is what the game looks like. So it's basically just like a slots game. And please do not download this game, guys, in the hopes of making money, since they do claim to give you money in-game. So as you can see about this game, welcome to Pharaoh Rush Slot Game. Discover hidden treasures, unlock unique bonus rounds, and experience the excitement of spinning your way to potential rewards. So take note, guys, potential rewards. There is no guarantee that you will get the free rewards or the potential rewards that they are promising you. So 9 times out of 10 or 10 times out of 10, you will never get any money or any rewards from this game, since it's very obviously a scam, and a lot of people or a lot of apps are similar to this, and they're not even really real. So if this were real, or if this were true, people would play this instead of gambling sites, or people would quit their jobs just by playing this game. And this game would also make headlines if it were true. And yeah, I would advise you not to play this game with the hopes of making money. And that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.